Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that shines as bright as your smile teeth health. Whether you're a dental care pro or just starting your journey to a healthier mouth, this video is packed with tips, tricks, and vital information to keep those pair. First things first, let's talk about the basics of oral hygiene. Brushing twice a day with fluoride toothpaste and flossing daily are your first line of defense against tooth decay and gum disease. But it's not just about brushing and flossing. It's how you do it. Here are some quick tips. Choose the right toothbrush. Choosing the right toothbrush is essential for effective oral hygiene. Opt for a soft bristled brush to avoid damaging your gums and enamel. Soft bristles effectively remove plaque and debris without causing irritation. Replace your toothbrush every 3 to 4 months. Timing is everything in dental care. Emphasizes brushing for at least 2 minutes twice a day to effectively remove plaque and prevent oral diseases. This duration ensures each tooth gets adequate attention. Timing also refers to the regular replacement of your toothbrush and scheduling periodic dental checkups for optimal oral health. Now that we've covered the basics of brushing, let's talk about choosing the right toothpaste. With so many options available, it's important to select one that meets your specific needs. Fluoride. Look for toothpaste containing fluoride, a mineral that helps strengthen tooth enamel and prevent cavities. Whitening. If you're looking to brighten your smile, consider toothpaste with whitening agents like hydrogen peroxide or baking soda. However, be cautious as these ingredients may cause sensitivity in some individuals. Natural ingredients. If you prefer natural products, toothpaste made from botanical extracts or essential oils can provide effective cleaning without artificial additives or preservatives. Remember to check the label for the American Dental Association ADA seal of approval, ensuring the toothpaste meets industry standards for safety and effectiveness. Ultimately, the best toothpaste for you is one that you'll use consistently and that addresses your unique dental needs. Maintaining healthy teeth doesn't have to be complicated. Here are some additional tips to keep in mind. Your diet significantly affects your oral health. Consuming sugary and starchy foods can lead to tooth decay as they fuel mouth bacteria that produce harmful acids. To maintain healthy teeth, minimize these foods and embrace a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and dairy products. Combating decay. Dairy items like cheese and yogurt are beneficial for their calcium and phosphates, which reinforce tooth enamel. Prioritizing these dietary choices supports strong teeth and a vibrant smile. By making wise dietary choices, you not only improve your oral health, but your overall well-being too. Staying hydrated is essential for oral health, particularly because of saliva's role in maintaining a healthy mouth. Saliva washes away food particles and neutralizes acids produced by bacteria, protecting against tooth decay and gum disease. Drinking water regularly supports saliva production and helps maintain optimal hydration. Water is especially beneficial as it doesn't contribute to the erosion of tooth enamel, unlike sugary or acidic drinks. For a healthy oral environment and to aid in the prevention of dental issues, make water your primary beverage choice throughout the day. Smoking poses significant risks to your oral health, including staining teeth, causing gum disease, and increasing the risk of oral cancer. Tobacco use affects the normal function of gum tissue cells, leading to infections and restricting blood flow to the gums, which can affect the bone and soft tissue attachment to your teeth. Quitting smoking can drastically reduce these risks. Within a short period of ceasing tobacco use, many smokers see improvements in their oral health, including a reduction in gum inflammation and a decreased risk for developing serious dental conditions. Quitting is a critical step towards a healthier mouth and overall well-being. And there you have it, folks, your guide to sparkling teeth health. Remember, taking care of your teeth is an investment in your overall health. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more health tips and tricks. Keep smiling, and we'll see you in the next video.